Have you ever had a question, looking for an answer, but were not sure who would have the answer to it? It may be a technical question, or about some events around the world, or what people think about an act. With the advent of the internet, you could just type your question into a search engine and see what comes up. However, the result that you get might not exactly be the question that you asked, or the answer that you were looking for. So, instead, you can use Quora. Quora is a website specifically devoted to people asking and answering questions on all sorts of topics. Today, we will see how to use Quora. Let us get started. First, let us see an overview on Quora. Quora is a global online platform for asking questions and providing answers. These questions and answers are organized into topics, edited, liked, and commented on by Quora's community of users. You might be thinking, well, why don't I just use an everyday search engine? Because Quora has some unique features compared with search engines. Features of Quora includes: it allows users to create social networks and follow topics that interest them. It enables users to vote on answers to highlight the most accurate information possible. It helps you build authority in your field by helping the Quora community and sharing your knowledge. Users can upvote answers to highlight the most accurate information possible. Let me sign up for an account for free. Creating an account on Quora is quick and easy. All you need is your name, your email address, and a password. You can also sign in through your Facebook or Google account. Then, tell Quora what topics you're interested in, so that it can show you relevant questions and answers. We will see how to set up a complete Quora profile. Once sign up is successful, you can see your topic of interests you selected at the left side of the home screen. At the right side, you can see the things to be done to set up your account. Prior to that, let us provide the required details to have a perfect profile. You can set profile photo, along with other details like employment, education, location, if needed. You can make the necessary settings in profile, as desired. In settings, you can add multiple languages you wish to, and get the feed in that languages. Anytime you can move to primary or secondary languages you set. It is up to you how you want to set up your profile. It is better to add your profile credential, which will be the headline for the profile. For example, you can add your area of expertise as headline. Now, you can write description about yourself. For example, why you use Quora. You have an editing tool for the same. Also, you can add your links, if any. You can also add the topics you know about. All the above details will make your profile attractive to get audience attention. Set up your account checklist. On the right side, you can see a checklist to completely set up your account. Here, you can see I have done 1 out of the 6 items in the checklist. Let us complete the checklist. Next one is, follow 5 more spaces. We can go to the spaces and follow the topics which you like. You can see second item in checklist is done. Next is, upvote 5 more good pieces of content. You can go through the content and upvote if you like it. Next is, ask a question. Click on add question, and you can post a question. You can select the category of the question too. So that is done. Next is to add your location. Finally, answer a question which you think you can share information on the already posted question. Let me post an answer for one question. Now, you can see, all items in the checklist is done. Space creation in Quora. Quora homepage looks like a social media platform. Spaces are communities on Quora, where members can interact with each other. Creating your own space gives you the ability to connect with like-minded people. Let me create one space, provide the description and details. Now, as I created this space, I have the admin rights to continue setting up the same. Let us edit the visuals of our space, means the look and feel of your space like color, icon, cover photo and so on. Now, let us create our first post in the space. You can beautify your post with the various options provided. Now, I am done with posting the article. We can invite people to follow our space. Getting familiarized with Quora Tabs. As we know, the home page is this, and we will see various tabs in it. Following option will show all spaces which you are following. Next option, you can see various questions posted by other users for answers. Next tab contains all spaces, including the spaces you have created. Then, you can see all notifications. Next, you have the search bar for searching various topics, and the related contents will be listed. Quora Plus is a premium subscription, where you have options like, you can browse the content ad-free and all. Then, you can set various languages. In Profile tab, you add various options including settings. Then, we have the option to ask question or create post. In the right side, Quora will suggest the various spaces, which you can follow, as per the topics you have selected. Once you follow any space, it will come to your list. Another feature on Quora that is helpful to users is the upvote and downvote option. If you see a response on Quora that you think perfectly answers the question presented, you can upvote it. On the other hand, if you see an answer that is inaccurate and uninformative, you can downvote it. Also, you can see options like share and comment. Tips on posting questions and answers in Quora. Tips while posting a question. 1. Make sure your question hasn't been asked already. 2. Keep your question short and to the point. 3. Double check grammar and spelling. 4. Start your question with what, how, why, etc. How to write a good answer on Quora. In order to write a good answer on Quora, you must first understand the type of question that you are answering. Here are some tips to write the perfect answer on Quora. First, choose the question or topic that you are interested in. Have a well-structured answer. Then, format your answers well. Support your answers with relevant images or videos and links. Make your answers keyword rich for SEO.